Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let us quickly see how to make birth as well as death certificate in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. If you wanted the text below this video in Hindi or Gujarati, please click the link above which will show you how to set the same. Also please subscribe to our channel. So let us continue with the video. In a Google search page, you open a Google search page on any of your device. This can be done on any of your device, PC, Android, mobile, or even iPad. In the search page, Google search, you can just search for Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, and you can scroll down and see there is Ahmedabad city.gov.in. This is the URL for Ahmedabad municipality, and under this you can click on the online services button, text displayed. So this when you open this online services under Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, you can see the website of from the government Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. So under this again you can see a lot of options. We will click on the online services option here. Under this when you click on this, you can navigate to birth and death department. See, this is the option, birth and death department. Just click here. It will give you the option of birth, apply for birth death certificate, second option. Okay, so apply for birth death certificate. When you click, this will take you to a new page where you have to log in. So you need a credential, username and password for logging in and getting on downloading the birth or death certificate. So for the first time, let us click on the new user button to create an username and password. This is only for the first time. So you click on the new user button and it will ask you all the details like what is the username you wanted and what is the password you are looking for, and again confirm the password. So make sure password should meet 8 and maximum 12 characters long, and it should have capital letters, special characters, all these things. So after that you fill in the questions asked. There is a security question and answer. You can select any of the question and type in some answer which you have to remember, and fill in all the fields of your address and your permanent address and current address, all these things, and your district, and finally you can enter the captcha shown. For example, here it is 57325, and click on all these three options like SMS alert, email alert, and I have read and click on the submit button. All these three options should be selected. Why? Because you get SMS as well as email alerts, and also I have read understood the terms and agreement. It's a mandatory button. So when you click on the submit, you can see there will be a quick OTP sent to your mobile, and also you receive an email in your email address given. So make sure you are giving the correct email as well as the mobile number. So you can see here, click here to continue. So it clearly says there is an OTP sent. So when you click here to continue, under this again it will take you to the login credentials. You can see this is the email message SMS I received. Also this is the mail I received. Mail will contain your username, your password you have set, and there is an URL here which you have to click and confirm. So you have to click here and take to the confirmation page. This will confirm your email. Now let us continue with enter your username, password, and the OTP you received in the mobile, and enter the captcha and click on the login. So you can see now we are successfully logged in. Okay, so next time onwards you don't need OTP and stuff. You need only email, your username and password. So here left side under services, click on the get birth death certificate, and under that again click on apply for birth death certificate. So you can see the first page has come up, which is a self declaration. You have to say I so and so, your name, son of, or specify the relation there, and select your service which select you are looking for. Okay, so this just says that you are a relative of the person whom you are applying for the birth certificate, and you click on the I accept terms and conditions. So select which certificate you need of birth or death. Accordingly you can select. See here, so I just select birth or death. So the options are similar. Okay, and you say the relation of your relation with the candidate whose birth certificate or death certificate you are applying for. So maybe you can be any of this. Accordingly you select your relation with the candidate you are selecting. getting the birth certificate for. Now click on the apply, I accept terms and conditions, and click on the next button here. Once you click on the next, you want to proceed for the search, yes, click on OK. Now you can see another search details has opened up. By default registration type is birth. You can change it here also, okay, and you can change the language to Hindi, Gujarati or English, and accordingly you select your language of your choice. Now there is a registration number option, okay, or you can go with the birth or date of birth search. So you have two options. If you know the registration number, it will be faster. You enter the registration number of your birth or death event here, and this is the date of birth option, okay. So this facility is available for birth registrations registered in 31st till 31st December 2019. That's okay. Now in my example I am entering the registration number and I am not entering the date of birth, and I click. You can see if your registration number is right, this child details are displayed here, child name, parents name and stuff. So this is one option if you know the registration number. Suppose you don't know the registration number and you have never applied for the birth certificate, so you don't have the registration number but you know the date of birth of the child. So now what you have to do is click this tab of the date of birth space, and then you can enter the date of birth. You can see here the calendar comes up. Accordingly you click on the year, but there is an near the year there is a downward arrow. Click there and select your year. Then you select your month of the child. Now select the date also. You can see here date of birth has come up. Now again click on the search button. So this is the date of birth of the child. So I'm not giving any other information, okay. Just when I search, you can see here there is a lot of options, because any child comes under this date of birth will be given in the search. So this way it might take a little bit time to search, and also you have a task of filtering. You can scroll down and see which is your child name and parents name you are looking for. So accordingly you can click on the view button here, right side. Left side you have to select this candidate. Suppose this is my candidate, I identified this is the person I'm looking for a birth certificate. Click here left side and select right side Gujarati or English, and also enter how many copies you need. One copy I have given. If you need, you can give 2 copies. It's up to you. And then I am clicking on the view and it takes me to the candidate, and I click on okay, there is a problem here. So I click on the next and get added. So for me I keep getting this pop-up. Please choose language for registration number. So even if I have done correctly, all the things, but this message keeps coming like please choose your language. So I identified that this is a problem with browser. You may not get it, you might get it, you may not get it. But if you keep getting this pop-up, please try in another device or another browser from the same device. For example, in your mobile you might have Mozilla browser also, you have some other browser also, Chrome also. So try one is not working, try with the other. Otherwise, if it does not work in mobile, you log into your personal computer or iPad or another device and open another browser and try this. Okay, this is the workaround for this. So what I did is I keep getting this, I could not get out of this, and now I click on the OK button, go back to the page, and I'm repeating this with another browser. Select this again, I am saying you select this. Now select the language, how many number of copies you need, and click on the view button. According to number of copies you might even get charged. Now click on the add list. Add to list, there is an add to list here, you can see here. So after selecting copies given, I am clicking on the view. Okay, I have added obtained the child's details. You can see verify all the details and click on add to list button. So when you click on view, you get all the perfect details of the date of birth certificate. Now I have added to the list. You can see here I have added to the list. It has come up. Click on the next button. It says have you verified your certificate details. You click on OK. Now you can see the birth certificate below it has added. Now you have to give all the applicant name, like who is applying for this, okay, because you will receive mail on mentioned mail ID, so make sure all your details are correct. Now there is an option certificate will be delivered to the address, they are not giving directly to you. So verify your location within India or outside India also you can get through. I specified my postal address where I should deliver it. Now once that is done, see, any field is missed out, you get this error. And one more thing very important to remember, mobile number, after giving the mobile number, right, you should give the +91, otherwise it will not work. Because first I was giving only number, it didn't work, it gave me the pop-up just I have shown. Give +91 and your number. Now calculate, click on the calculate fee. You can see here total payment is 97 rupees and all the charges are, birth certificate is 50 and postal charges are 47 something. Click on I accept button and click on proceed for payment. Click OK. So it says receipt is not generated, then please wait for 48 hours and then you can raise an alarm. Okay, now I click on next. This is the payment page and you can click on the confirm payment here. And as you can see, when there will be, when payment made, before payment made, there is an payment reference ID. You click on OK. There are options to get paid. You can see here a lot of options are available. NEFT is there, debit, credit, net banking, UPI. Lot of options are available to pay online. So you can select accordingly which is the option you are convenient for. I was selecting a net banking and select any of the banks, say SBI, where you have NEFT credentials, and click on the make payment. So you are going to pay 97 rupees for one copy of this birth certificate. If you select multiple copy, the charges might vary accordingly. So here I give my details and you can see once I have paid, my payment is success. I got an SMS. Now come back to the home page, services, under receipt. You can see here, if you not generated any record, it will show you not found. But if you have clearly generated, paid, and this thing receipt, it comes under. So now once you get an SMS saying that your birth certificate is ready, or you can keep checking the status here. So you, okay, so now let us see how the death certificate can be made. So we are going to the same apply birth certificate, death certificate option, and under that I am selecting the death option, and you can see it is same as the birth certificate option, where you select either death or birth date. If you know the registration number, it's very easy. Otherwise you give date of death and then click on the search button and scroll down and identify which is your candidate whom you are looking for the death certificate. And after that the same thing, click on this, select the language, number of copy, and click on view. Once you click on the view button, you get the complete details of the person of the death certificate, and then click to add to the list. Once you have done it, is this certificate you have selected and added to your list. You can see you can even add multiple. Now I click on next. This is the same procedure I was showing you for the birth certificate, only difference is you are selecting death instead of birth. Now you can see all the fields are mandatory, so I have already shown you this. For the birth certificate, you give your number, mobile number, +91 is mandatory, otherwise it will not work. Once it is done, you can scroll down the page, and after entering your delivery address, certificate will be delivered as hard copy to your address, as in the case of birth certificate within India. And click on calculate fee. You can see the same amount, 97 rupees for birth certificate also. Click on payment, proceed for payment, and once it is done, the same options you get of NEFT, debit and stuff. So go for the payment and wait for the status. Anytime you can come to the same page and check your payment status, whether it is success or not. If it is not success, they will return you the money. So this is how it is done. And once the payment is done, you get a receipt generated, SMS and mail in your ID. So wait for the certificate to arrive at home. Any issues, I can show you how to raise a complaint for the following up. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, please give us a like also. See you with another video. Thank you very much. Bye.